Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2017 Dominar, and we're going to install the side stand extender on it. Now I searched a lot. There is nothing in budget or at low price for this particular side stand 2017 and 18 on any of the websites and all. But I then finally ordered the side stand extender for, I think this is the Himalayan one, and it costed me somewhere around $375, and we're going to try and install this one. I already took a rough trial. I just removed the bolts and I just put it under the stand and checked whether it will go or not. So it is not a perfect fit, but it's a very good fit is what I will say. It needs slight mods. So what you need to do is you remove all the bolts, all the nuts, sab nikal do nuts, चारों nuts. One drawback for this I would like to say that after receiving the part, if you look at the Allen bolts of this one, okay, all the Allen bolts, they are pretty small, okay. They need this particular Allen key to operate. I'm sure I'm not going to be able to tighten it completely. Let me focus this. I forgot which number is this, even I can't read it, is so small. But it needs this very small Allen key to lock and unlock. So probably after some time this nuts will get bad, but don't worry, let them go bad, let the nuts and bolts go bad, no worries. You can just cut them off with a hacksaw and replace them with new ones. You can get better ones in market. So how are we going to start installing? This is the base plate, okay. So this slot, okay, this slot will be a stopper over here. If you look at our stand, so I've taken out spare washers. These are fiber washers that I use in visors if the Bajaj washers are not available, and these are metal washers, 10 numbers, 10 number hole through. So we're going to need this. Why? I'll explain you in some time. So what you're going to do is, ये जो अपना base plate है, the base plate is going to get locked over here. This slot, okay, this slot on this side of the stand is going to get stuck in your it's going to get stuck in your stand, okay, over here like this, okay. Then we'll be inserting this plate, which will be kind of glide it in like this, okay. Let me show it to you clearly. I'm installing with one hand and I'm shooting with another hand. So this will go in like this, okay. It will stay here like this, and this last one will be fitting on top. I think this is like this. It's like this, okay. This will come from top over here, and this will be your base one, okay. Let me set the camera and then show you. I'm putting the two opposite ones first, okay. Sorry, this will go inside first, then it will go here like this, okay, and then the third piece will come from behind. Put it here and tighten the bolt, and this does the job pretty well, okay, at this stage, okay. So I'll put the first nut and keep, okay, then the second one, then you can put the third one from behind, fourth one I'll put it over here, okay. And now what you have to do is just tighten all the things and it will remain in place, it won't move around. Let me fetch the spanner and then I'll tighten them. I've pulled the stand up and I'm going to require a 7 number spanner because these nuts are that small, and I'm going to tighten slowly all the 4 nuts. Don't tighten one particular nut completely, you have to do it one by one, so that one particular side doesn't get tightened completely and then bends the other one. So this one I've done. Now I'm going to go to the cross one, which is over here, which is at the back side. Sorry, my hand is coming in between, but this is the process. 1 2 3 4, tighten all this. It's already tight. If you see, it's not moving around, it's already tight. Once I put all the 4 bolts, I'll show it to you how strong it is. So the installation is done. I've tightened all the bolts, okay, and I've tightened them in a cross fashion, like you tighten the wheels of a car. 1 2 3 4. Opposite side you keep on tightening one by one, slowly. Don't tighten one bolt completely and then shift to another, then shift to third. No, tighten this a bit, then this a bit, then this a bit, then this a bit, then this, then this, then this, in cross manner fashion. And like I said, this notch over here is holding our stand, you can see that. And at the back side, okay, it is holding, another notch is holding the back part of it, and there's no rattling in it right now, okay. Everything is perfect fit, there's no movement, there's no play around. And like I earlier said, the nuts and bolts are not that great, so you can see there's a gap in between the two, okay, between the base plate and the middle plate, there's gap. So you can cut the nut in future if you want. If the threads of this one go bad, you can cut it off from here and replace it with better ones. So that will be a good solution that time. But right now, this is a perfect fit according to me, and you guys can go ahead with it. I'll leave a link for this particular stand extender in the video description. It's from Amazon, and you can purchase and install it in the same manner. Let me know if you have any questions. Put it in the comments. I'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in a new video very soon. Like, share, subscribe.